Hello, agus fáilte go ráis Thig Na Seansálaithe mas maidh seansa glacu glaciad Na Seansálaithe is me se Hugh macula cheada a ráis inis fáhaine an fiú Eagrán Eagrán de Na Seansálaithe genta ó gin hana féin sin dá craic go muidir go fáilte sin hana féin agus gur míle maith sucht a haninge I bhí I ggéisiart go dtí seo agus be cinse be níos mó na fiú Eagrán atálaigh beidir be fi. Genimiid countdown de an fiú Eagrán in sin rud is fearr le dhéanú. Tá má. Tá an seo le bhid cóleachí bhid cairide ar dúspóir tá an seo le aine bhuiir aine Jimtá tú.
Tá go mai Hugh, go míle maigad. Ní creid an go fiú Eagrán genta goin, ní sprálam sin na clostal.
Yeah, is seasoned veterans which inis fi lahar brag
Joe Rogan eat your heart out.
Oh yeah, agus like ar leid ní Virginia let an shite mí na farsin ra.
Ní bhín mu na kind shite ri.
No, go on, yeah. Yeah, well, ar leid ní imid conspóide, sin was tábhachtí. Well, agus fásta tama an seo le James ó Fáilte, James Jimtá tú.
Come on. Can't complain. Ain't on. Happy out. Cnú go mór de stelle seachtainí.
Jim plan mór atá agad James Lahinder seachtainí like in Jim príomh rud a dú súil go mór leis.
Well, tá gáire dám. Tá má gáil cluthe AFL immert níos a gcorca. Agus tíad tar sin, tá má gáil isteach mo choirín, agus tá má gáil túmán súil go bara clia, and I'm going to catch a plane. Agus am gáil go Edinburgh le an seachtainí.
Siamsa gur bé tusa an jet setter is mó atá is a grúpa seo.
Catching flights, not feelings. Sin the mantra.
Ní bhhan an feelings a cheáil dá bhah symptoms COVID.
Oh my god. Détí anú hall in Edinburgh sin class.
I've got a new like just brother John gonna mate a thing was got new on what you think of new on there in nach ní mis ná new on me quit am the saring so mis go the bolo Paulon ich het saring agus sin tá luckily enough from the tickets le quit soccer the dona Hibernian in I Celtic so yeah looking forward to brand sports brand the car agus blash beer.
I like chuig na sé gansaí Celtic agam sin seo mata cin deálart mar think yeah exactly I assume go béis gur béis an rialta le mata de gair bhéis in lá good guy tú just number Celtic jerseys bhé agad.
Ní am woman's ná gansaí Celtic actually chur oring me go mé mu still crowd Hibs so I think go mé ní seo after go cinná neutral. Sure, céim is mu there's takeach dó nach fádón lá is Hibernia bhí editír seo. So, you know, it'd be the Hibs teammating new Celtic. No, definitely Celtic, but just name is on Chantal.
Yeah.
One of the things the clock muscle.
Just into polite claps like woo, my shoes.
That was a great goal, guys.
Oh, fair play, Dave. We should need that mind. To Edinburgh class, or to see Rio in Edinburgh, Áine.
Oh, bhí má an chuime uairháin agus bhain méir soltas go naim marráis a ríis blian nein is spráil Edinburgh. Bhráil cóí an ar fel tamil.
Ho jazz. And you're in tú an Cashland examined?
Oh yeah, an Royal Mile. An tairad ná nearna mé ná níor grappi mé an croc in Unaid an such an asfa class the rark den cahar leg so James mata amagots. Na tatu an mui han beidir mé snacht the fós ar bar. It was a song used to pub so during that right too.
Vi ba dear hunching a ra I was like now so le James agal ar fá Jerry Sharking Hugh in all but I really ní chiaapam go ben wat just make sure like oh bimauta iri bra lua agus train actly anu agus me Hallenton like
but tá go nu lich a saring so sin ich amach straight away.
Yeah.
Sin tan cluthe ag dóigh me an lei a dúna. So Tá go a chin lua and then tá éing gimmert so má sin tá Liverpool na Chelsea the League Cup final so yeah feici me golóir Bally but Bally probably was on.
Yeah. Céad fan géad. Cai tú dó an rud amháin exam nearanta seo fásta aine test an éit a chain ahan couple in Edinburgh an sin taingtar rís net just na optical illusions ar fad rudding at
Ní ahí mise ag an átro as bhrálam bhil an as ní an tan na dungeons an an spéintach mai Edinburgh dungeons ní romain sin nach chuid ní arnmuid an stuff like te Steve in whichigurí just an chahar eáil ach tá an optical illusion sin an ansbeh ínta.
Camera obscure an taingtar agus te cool ach just test good nar like ahan ile mí anar tested go where the boyfriends da na gus ha don knowledge mar go fecinn tú an scéal dá iad ar an cód like méid le cheile agus fecinn tú iad leis like na súla mór an the funhouse mars an sin so James Malling caiite anu
Bes gá sin vis má go núna denna
sé hála James Fletcher I hí san tu tú mahas an airfort agus fagad in bhil ras sa seaamra agus ráid seaí an cead chat taharne agus buile tú le chalín galanta Alban
mé lom sweetúir na Colin in Love Actually chugus land an sé America agus is sporalo canún aige an air sin. Ig glom just James a haú le Cafar Colin sí Arthur as igéir ar James anu le rudí éagsú le.
Well, this is an insane dinner. It's in a soul. Now, definitely need in a picture of. Go me my land at this airport. I got more chin Margarita.
I just I go to the fact and it's like Abershaw. It's like Agus. Agus. Guinness. Oh, Lord Gaelic Lum, James. Lord Gaelic Lum. Do the clap. Comes the haunch of oh James oh I'm dying here James oh my god
can't anhaithú
take call cat ogum as Sullivan so costa thing a hanle dunne is den all
yeah
like the left than an all as Sullivan like go Harry is Glasgow and like improve like can't be like Celtic like to piece of moan ass and try like Carrigan a current should in Celtic Park like Anna of Leanne but a gentaku will be like Lee Jigs a jay no immersion I bet you shin in the region shin like so to like a nask whole motion other than an Alex Glasgow so been going in the Scotties hal earn the lane to see the ogging so kind of shout out to her Tifa but in the flying when go map and canish ni anu but kai better on any Virginia Thursday an Alban and Trurugan
but bhrálam sin Hocklin dultríd was good an Drihid is gone on Harry Potter Ní sin roada ó ógúnéidir actually but bhrálam just cara is dultríd an tír like action ganda road trip.
Yeah.
I was on vlog on the Seachtainí go on tour.
What do you call it? K capo game like came here in the ox, you know the Stawati the ocean, like in parts of Stawati the road trip came and in the tunes.
She'm gur tosa me all going to an urgent shine listy le chéile Spotify I the amsir.
The shades and Jerry do so though like I like that's going to so like me simig mar dingy onto like
James just a casu Ed Sheeran agus Gareth Brooks.
The ration go cost a good rod okay.
Yeah. Well more players actually Tomo players unreal so we need them give it like being more Tomorrowland hits on being country Sean being classic pop Sean and then being rap gangster rap Sean so flavor go chulrad so, yeah. Flav Mitten fire means more ox you know
yeah
bang
there was smoke alarm see the car bitch I just got her and that fad
in the horror cause a Ghost Rider
But they can just go home on tree henne agus this is like,
Yeah.
oh my god, she's a tarlo hound. It's like, oh, na black. Is James a flyer to done?
Yeah. Cecha goin an grúi chu gear. Ní méid téirchas níafn te, just bíon a chluigean ar tinine me méid fire tá bhain aux cable ag.
Well, it can't be tunes. Argur sin. It's just new fogru and Trachtenchog me Fhéile na Galley or súil mar fartá Lá Fhéile Pádraig. Whoop whoop is cart. There's dirt to go to kill the like mini Fhéile riv and Fhéile cart me mehev. Agus you seem gur ring gur be seán fogru the kinner me ar súil. Ach a mé sib si tratas go bailach lia le hain din fláán go bhaid le haid Lá Fhéile sin probably in rud táhachttaí. Ba fláán agah?
Well, Tá go sus ar a da an láide, so
better ní sos go bailach lia.
go sus ríist. An les go gur mar chud a gá tráiche Hugh.
Se quickí hé go function cos an darlaide agus sin san
tu má bháil leis cichi beáil an go má sus ríist.
caiú éon seasta céici agus den rastas go bailach lia. Ach an bhfuil fláán a bí agah le haid Lá Fhéile le go mu sé fláán a bí le an gáileh ná just go feic out tá an tarlú.
Sílam go me consultúin te scoilú meall ná bhfuirmuid Lá Park ceart le blion na nús. So Nim if you can just spin urchin Thursday heart been atmosphere ínta an gáilú gcónaí an lásin. So ní dóilm go mé me dosús go báide lé mar sídam go mín se rógraithú húsan sin? No, ní rom rio an fin Lá Park ach cluisiom scéaltaí.
Say she got like go rolling it there like sinister Harlow Malaclia how much for scalety for you say and should have been been more kill home or aku Jahan chat tavern lang bell it's like yeah shouldn't what's kind of tarling in the car you should just put clear
a garú nu in gáileh to be honest. Well, bíon chraig go mar smála a garú no come on le Lá Pádraig shudi. But cadú icinn tína meall tá 7 agus 13 tan and then on bank holiday nu at 8 do off and then sin der 8 tan so stint marach sin. And catch Gardo Hugh, what is a good you cannot face this a Lá Pádraig.
She didn't get me Rahima Rahima and Fhéile na Galley or those where just the lads are fád fecha agus been the gale and sin agus a crack of acu agus an sin tá ticketí ogam le haid na Mary Wallopers now some more holish bummer real for who tested class like really crack my Genesis TPM faster that's some group of raption. It's like the boys on the dole agus like FRTs mission like oh it's a gas like ach ta she has na Shanium Vicar Street or Lá Pádraig so to my hain agus true the mahudge housemates gal Thig and Gigshin and then how much like just kind of a hope I'll go with him chat and in the so I think a flan
near lad.
Yeah, I know. I think about flan that go much on like tabla a work call like anish so like so to like cookers not tree shocking could you Lá Pádraig which on the tabla book call anish agus and shin agus every book chugging thing like jail hog not in hog not viewer agus and shin kalasha agus Buddhist Swiss la not fact kind actual are good garja agus chase could be at because Beisha fian like Beisha absolutely fian like a hamlet
During gwil an urchin Thursday sal Overca in an pandem they should a leg chat.
Kid van Gade, yeah. You might even go few sweetu or Temple Bar like Kend I a mission in Kirk.
Oh my god, yeah.
Because there's just bitch applaud you like I guess bitch like cram I guess they snatching like the Cahu Shark or Guinness just crazy like bhí bhhain temple bar agus bhí chuir mar stala lein lads as like chat na gaeilge bhí new CD agus ní rós like bhí muidir geir go le sta HBL like dí conrú agus bhí Áine either plodí na trit nach bhírod agus bhí muidir siúil na bhála bhí muidir go le ráisiigh checking the lads or like Sraith Jervis agus hána muidir an temple bar as agus muidir fecin like ramid se agus sin crack agus bhí se lein sorry but obviously bhí the senim na cealtaí nó aní seo ar fád like go aithneoganar so Virginia like is they Sean like or whatever agus the tourists are like wow Irish people oh my god they're all singing all the time like bhí Virginia gan like the Gael like the Gaelgari agus na dingy airna when if he stays so fergan if you function agus like the dingy shows like and rat and vuggy lansmudge and shin like they're like oh my god like where are you from like so like crack shot like crazy like so yeah they well fighting in the anshaw line her sorry
big god first though like big god being yang saguni hard to god like so like that's something we must should taps on this we should all like we'll land and burst my cool let me my do shit oh yeah you know Irish yeah that's his first language and then he's like oh what Ireland is a language so I'm like oh please just not fear cash term
Funar in sin which the airnig gur gailge an príomhtanga oh my caiilen sin block
fear umsan na ma hall J1 wait agus ma gimmers pell all the J1 fear urmsa cash right agus ma gimmers pell do you think in Irish agus should dinne éidir noch a bhí rá is ma like Get a Paul like it's like fucking first language now like so I'm obviously going to like criú méilge got to be my criú méile but níos ná ní bhí mar really criú cecha mé mar criú
an ceisih si a gcóí chuir na bhí wat one school na do you do English and Irish like you don't treat na Howard like your school like do maths in Irish do you history in Irish do you do English and Irish
Tá ho gamer because the couple thing ufis go homon like I can't die nyantu like I don't know the Gaelic or whatever or like new feud well it's like go Chinese cheer and then a Tivella like the earn J1 fast if you can the lads go over a Béarla agus vi like torch or do whatever agus American Leicester chi you know your English is incredible like as if like near Béarla get revision because just good told him
like James
yeah cause like James yeah
Russian Vimo Béarla lofa mar fáiste.
Sin go grammar because ner a bhí mission foscos I think is because the mission foscos bhí like in television like an tamar fad like we shall a wad níos fosa like is babysitter in television and airing around this like really odd so bhí barlogum ach bhí se like canún Americana because near covered ma ach you know the Simpsons agus Rugrats agus like dirt ma like diaper agus trash agus like na Fockley Yankshire fad agus like my West we should like no kite to stop the show like kite to run the Fockley cart agus like agus my Lord Béarla goni like never my hog to like fish do so good my head layer skull agus mom like Ked leather Hugh or skull agus tam like I'm so excited agus this mom like but Gaelic
an jaarint as an rud se le leis an canún Americana goracha an Albert Seuss ag a Jerry den Albert like
yeah cos la
shaw this yeah you're my shaw so we push the generation of a gark and jelly is mom go ní tuairteach do pu sin níor scíar by Lord cos le Americana nó ra awesome nor the version
well at least ní se fá ní daoine má go faoi a gúna faoi ceil ngéirn couple focal like ní daoine má go fumsa cean an focal sásanna I Béarla
cin ná tú sásanna Béarla
England
Tínar chuúna mu sin riú hena
in fairness now some Kenner mean James a can't faoi Cain cheer
sásanna ní go ráéis
England
so bhí daoine like I think in an goródaoine go má cáid feisna go ngéir mu marna ach ó chun ó bí áí las began níos mú béal is má chuna sin áda is lena cáchad ach ó chun inis má bhíon armrá an focail just éirm was that Tom's gone like a UK ní I refuse ará like just chun chulóna be súsar.
I mean, Jared too. I think there isn't anyone who's in like 3 syllable let's focal England.
You see, should have problem am na meall gohfuil beganín is bear the phone to dam obviously me go talk in a goelge ma. So ní mis rá focal merle be ma pronounce our whole letter like basically. So sin na fang here England, not England. You know,
England.
Blame on mission assassinate lei seo as company is when name is our Béarla de wadale me as Russian investments allowed me a World War III tarlu colonization bang segue boom World War
Hamish ví go red nach Romas go bhir Béarla because them aning go bhir Gaelic a tamar fad ach yes and
no Tom's got Rushach
Sheelam
and Duolingo and mahas.
Yeah.
Tosu fólam.
Is a brag clack of mar dingy in the Rushi.
Oh yeah, so it's flash flimmo chonamara money.
Agus a wadka fast mar Jared or a wadka.
My wadka is back on wadka, please.
There's a dark ratchet though. So actually dark ratchet tá tarlú. Wilna chuig grammar a hannig ma goil na tablets and that's was shot ag were good tishmar go fá na tablets iodine. What's up if we shot?
Oh yeah, dar luck she did shaw in a tabaste Chernobyl.
Yeah. James Hall is a real free shot.
No. Well, the whole enough we the iodine tablets, but like
basically
definitely no.
Basically her like Department of Health like her HSE her tablets like handing us a cheer the iodine la chodu or ugly go like with the nuclear in there like la chodu law like because and like the chemical test the iodine like glockencha and chemical test the in nuclear testing the atoms with the machine like cutting shalat mata to expose Thig like funny of nuclear ach bhí hánig má pactú that things bhí like gefáil hopefully go gefáil that like ar ugly na huglu like Italian with the B.
The odds is just she don't go on Jarko who guide is Gairy and a fui.
Oh yeah.
Van the empty Gairy bit to creevish to bit to queenu.
Yeah. Bhí mar scríú scéal faoi an sin ar an lún, bhí mar scríú scéal faoi agus má hís kitchen agus me like scríú am or whatever agus hánig me tin na housemates agus bhí like oh do you scríú faoi agus me like oh scéal leis Ukraine agus leis an rúis whatever agus bhí like tá sin actually like ní féidir am callún mar speechim faoi sin so mis just call foiáil agus cabbíúir that tú ré tugi mis Rashi's reach like but yeah just gamrú.
What Egyptian film This Is the End?
Yeah.
That's a cost lesson.
On scale le Putin agus on West. Now basically on Sino This Is the End. Nur atá Jonah Hill possessed agus an lad era
private price compels you. Oh, does it compel me? Does it really compel me?
Tá Putin ra. Is it compelling me? I don't think it's compelling me, Jay. I don't think it's compelling me. I think with Putin shouldn't raw le Biden agus Boris for that. What the fuck are you gonna do, Biden Boris?
Yeah.
Basically, the Putin fearless. This was like the smooth hawk commissioner in halfway. Now, I think Haas Conor McGregor lash on World Cup of 2018. Agus we Conor McGregor a lot of people that lay picture. Agus immediately if I can do Conor McGregor just ban to law has me and security guard basically gone.
Oh my god.
Maro Mehu.
Yeah. I think a honey thinkings go publicist Nuki McGregor Macher basically captured girl McGregor dead. Captured the just gone. like you need to cap it, you know, need to cap it love and in the morning.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Child, touch it mental, like touch it absolutely mental.
Moim just cos le na jiglin so ail. Tá much dear go her was the dini arish tá much súil go mór like oh higlin tashlarish nish. Higlin bogu haar lar go nu halen no go Canada no go be out go much gary go agus tá seo inta. As is dra na mé laat in Europa gan sé agus ní higlin tashlá ri wat moet ik give sa.
Literally jean glass out like the restrictions ag foiga like an loon like shot and light and loon and talking and Eagrán shot mark and like go well you know it's full reg mask it's full very la number sin I was nish whole Lewis too much like oh serious shit nish to kogu possibly
literally I'm shocked in Kenya.
Yeah. Was it get the piss out of Michelle for Russia though?
Abra James be brave.
Don't hold back.
Fucking Ruthie hold your west. Just fucking develop your east, man. Fucking near the Talaga. Some fucking dickish like.
Not good leor talu waku hanahin.
Yeah, like look, Ukrainians, Russians, shit lying as a source, you some more on difference. Like
no.
Moods is assassin, you more difference in the moods. Not for fucking hooks over moods, but like
hooks you over moods.
Fucking see that going. Even the Ukrainians bocht na tad like. All the Vakis go fucking east and na whole ain't in a habitat on. Go fucking build up agent because I on the Dubai is the boys. That's a freaking piss out any off.
James, I think about Cartas of more ambassador Aaron you hate can root. She didn't go by Tissan then you tell y'all or
I tell you one thing, that was my ambassador. You look with no joke on this.
To be like, here, Putin, cop on.
I see how it is. Daring Putin, look, being a bit of a cunt. Stop. Just stop.
So James Cussler Conor McGregor, you know, a dollar echelon, le true de vega le did it. Shaq's just running in agal their favorite.
James mar Taoiseach of World War II. Daring, look, Hitler man. But the veg cannot even fucking mean it, you. You not in who?
Agus déis stuff sé last, James.
This is it. Agus bheith James, ein team lad.
Hitler, look, the planes medical are seachtainí refuel, and I'm not going to do fuck all about it because I'm Malamu. I'm fucking Malamu, and that's it.
The James College Dahi conference rooms like his war rooms which has been the goal and you make special come on top is special like right Kayla the game mess on them right
yeah
Scary Glock majority it's not a chance
fucking right could Mish the summer that Biden is Boris is Bullish Coxham but Putin I don't know I think it just come a verbal exchange man with Putin I either yeah he's on. But daring Lasha, but you know, my probably dead going hold mad, but you know.
But Varela, James, Kyle's got a shot of all like yeah. I think a kid step out.
Look, Stog me, President Higgins and Guy ass. Mathem's get Uachtarán, Luo, Og, a 6 out of 10. Martin Bishop. I'm just a sweet 6. Look, need to get the Uachtarán that who like so you know. Then okay. I guess look like Thomas Single so what should solve was arrogant that Bailey should the Uachtarán because you are not my so look much the guy I think he's honest should he like say it how it is like what much on the teacher look Neem's got no job because I have to sign off on this Neem's question you know. Come on.
Landy this part is didn't you spawn that 6 James not be
6.2
6.2 yeah exactly yeah because this is on Richter scale you two are
sweet spot
yeah and a beautiful average shouldn't flan no it seems to go into some more extra on mine you know listen to Dini listen fire come on to you know then come on to you know they'll to go home on unrickle a handling a willing to law I think you're failing Shaw Yanu or draw her ni higlap Marial knuckle to her yeah
vote mission version is a referendum couple gaan le hoe she's go fi because we a cream a piece of father
Bhí agus is a plán seo le bliantigus bliantigus bliant.
Like, yeah, like tá mai gear my present, like, so look, bídíine gear go seach póiseocht to make a difference. Let me just get honest, agus ráí le daoine, travel the world, agus get that sweet cash, baby.
Cash dollar bill, but the chuí air an Uachtarán.
Agus plus bh mar president bh go na sporting events a dog, so se class.
Agus joid tú an fanfare book solar chain tú má fásta, joid tú an reprise da an the bhí an bhíar siúla an am tuganna Uachtarán má. I think if agus bit tú breir fásta ní bheith tú class.
Steve han is spare gcónaí.
Yeah. As bh man like raw like the game soccer on, so count the Liverpool players on man like raw. Look, man, big fan. Shin like the didn't he done us United. I'm like prick.
I think what this guy very more Uachtarán just so go to get you see an ashke. I think we'll die.
Yeah.
Jerry will die.
Tell it how it is.
Oh my god. Careful Áine, I'm going to see Gary very more Uachtarán line chat.
Ní dóigh me.
No,
ní me géan fragracht sin. Sílam, well, actually, má tá tú dúachtar an néireann ní nómar go fragracht. It's just caiitú aige haispunt ag ahan ógahad agus bheith nóideach leor agus ach tá sé de main mótar an I ddír eile níor bhhaid mé dhéanamh. An choclú mé dhéanamh an éireann. Sim go síl jazz ag mé go dí.
agus na mádí.
Yeah, síl jazz suúna heige.
Agus Sabine.
Is even keer je mocht missen maar Uachtarán. I think mag Áine an polar opposite anyways. I think mag Hugh níos go go Áine ná omsa.
But Áine costa, Mary McAleese, like really like, go jazz, agus inta cardial láhan inne, agus really jazz, agus be James costa Roy Keane, like just say Gary Tridge láhan Uachtarán an tugan hall. Like hánig me si idir tusa faoi faoi daoine ganjíjan couple lehan an tuachtarán dá go bítíir. Tá me si idir stú faoi seo, ní me se sesta faoi. Agus tá go le ré láta. Like
Look, Putin. Fá dochláil macht the hoon, please. Just stop. Okay?
Need to be put in your place.
In your place.
Yeah.
Beat you into it, Putin.
Sílam go nééis to that, James.
I think so.
Sílam go bhéh deire hagan an Eagrán seo máide híine.
Ar fóla bhéige fi láir. Tá go má síocht.
Cén Collins though, Cén Collins will put me full of in Gaelic though, Cén Collins.
Oh, chun mar mas gur.
Nabi Gasny score Ukraine. Nabi Gasny score Ukraine.
Is a fucking NATO partner. Is a NATO.
Level on him who.
Level am who. I thought my current to Ukraine is NATO. Level am who.
No, I honestly think though, Mata said click, full much said constant all, and then being like, oh, lovely smooth and Putin.
Lahi to it logs again.
Oh, you know what? Ring my time and give me a raw that.
Hig like a beach here, Laku Putin. Czechoslovakia, Slovenia. Few and rank, block and rank. Oh, it's coming up.
Yeah.
It's Emer tattoo, James.
Take me now, Putin. Oh.
Vlad McGilla Putin. I think I'm out.
Mohí gus le go bud gaiirí éis agus again.
Oh yeah.
Ga sé bhí be bud garcraisiú Eagrán seo agus be sé an grúme garcar is ra. Bhí sensitive a gaiirí ar seo ar not.
Bimid the Eagrán as an bomb shelter like like.
They miss for the good, but like, yeah, James is the call to Sus, I'm our president.
Ig riint canatúna idir an seorbin.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well,
speaking of tuna, agus beer, agus fast food chains. No, big way. Hugh, take it away.
Ain't my. Well, just by the minute, just gonna brew a hand piece of image at a steam with camera full liar, so not Tarlene would be all.
Should this guy Kia to sit on about almond cart.
Sin jet más plastic.
Veneer, is it?
Oh, veneer, yeah. And road cart. Ní an road
I
cart.
paid to use my Revolut. I got 2% back.
Oh, tá Joss. Saul and Mage and Argut agus tú permission and desk at my agus like €7 agus do such my one for all voucher. Agus I was like shot and deal is fair. Like I'm just like súil shot chit must have like ein punching chart because we should like left rice agus Justin came I were ma but inta ach it can't be more there's James the list of her in sin a shafting yes chef thank you and call it is first the ma and listed on the takeaways is fair in the area agus tá lein anmra an seo agus neas gom actually lein anmra agus ní aithne miad ach dá mata dunne bí ag cuairtú eistáil agus iad thart mar gur feiceáil is bhfuil ní irí le etbí sa gáileh no dírí le etbhhain gáileh le eile liste
Tasking hana hén Tiger dobros atá.
Yeah, we've got dobros on.
Ní ché actually.
What? But for she'd some douche what can you takeaway pizza in Europe?
Okay, then we got to guess that. Guess one along.
To guess why now okay so the yeah etcher and listed the an actually in Galiv the takeaways of the year can the cap into.
Okay. The Supermax Wadro obvious.
No. Adore my clue if you share my category that came.
No, found them.
Okay.
So James game for an regular hurt there's some dogum should the
Yeah.
Ujum.
You should continue raw.
No, found them. But in Canada Mexican. Bocho.
Yes.
Bocho Mexican first highly commended in Mexican takeaway of the year. Agus Everheen Marsgra Kosla Ahan the Livlian O Hashishama. Yes, lads, burrito loco, letter canning, Ahan the Livlian Fiancha. Then the burritos is fair to cheer it doon the now. Because to nask more ig doon the now le Mexico, agus la California, agus la.
Like, I mean, it took in the burritos message in the bottle, Tira could do all as Mexico.
The hours of the current to the moss, and I was so glad I'm mainly like the violence, but oh. Is few I guess listen excuse na you fast
crunchy dillis gestas na burritos.
Oh yeah. just so well as a good so goes it authentic.
You're not telling all you.
And actually the so for Bocho for highly commanded high Mexican takeaway of the year, I guess if we can find a healthy takeaway of the year, I guess VS.
Costa Gourmet.
No.
Tiger the gourmet offensive atan.
Gourmet offensive Shanae. Gourmet offensive for a highly commanded healthy takeaway.
Nina actually we're going to guess a herb.
Jamie does go to
it's kind of Mexican outside fashion, but it's healthy. Peace, trust. It's actually next to that. Oh yeah.
Was this kind of freshy, Mars?
Yeah.
Ní bílan óánis and is slaura the bílan.
Which could be fast food chains or the should I focus at the Calm Shore like a Submax Air Square and things.
No. It's like
what she did show Lake Navsbla.
I think what I could just Moaku, yeah, ni akim Boojum no. Oh well no Tasaba I guess couple of Esni Defril like I know some more Russian be on Sabat to kind of like noodles and rice.
Being Chagoni egg na felchi kyol.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, to like kind of wine. Yeah, to kind of wine like to Asian takeaway of the year, Saba Dean's Grange, agus and Shinta wings of the year, Saba in Ranelagh. So, but obviously like not Capaco Russian would care on the it's like Niancha Mar and Keel.
Can I Kate over hÉireann in total?
In total, and takeaway is fair. So the couple can like the couple of category that like and steel that can be it on. So in Chinese is fair to cheer. There's on there. No, unfortunately. Her kingdom mud high speed sexing we should like the mission Nakula Oki in Dundrum or whatever because like vegan spice bag. kind of máling gomóra a thuirstan liste agam agus bhís le catch key cin fá nach key ar an liste and I was like I know go like mó et lo na Chinese no the harter den Ronaldo like it harter be doors the mission shite so neuro shit in the go ver liste but the couple of jets chas arms but anyway so Beijing house in there then be at the American takeaway of the year. I think mission like the Burger Shacks mission D-Town Diner at Dollingstown. That's from Natural Dollingstown. But you wish he's a cheer.
Women check us out America.
Dollingstown. I mean, if we American rather than Blian. Oh no, Sadoon. So County Down. It's the star of the County Down. I think she's in the time we return. Not my plan. The food truck of the year, the Coha Street Kitchen, Schliga. Like cafe takeaway them bblian Westgate design Wexford the Asian takeaway agus tan anim dock ratchet so I think Sean Fhuaimníonn gur wisha itrim the takeaway agus a time there now once upon a tie just mwah dock ratchet my
Béarn just Tim on your foot na jira agus na hachna like show real
absolutely just a gurker is the shot of my actually stupid knockers just to get
yeah I can't wait like vocho real
yeah le coffee cart an blian and couple Mara killy bags didn't know King of the Wings in Clonmel red herring at Tangham Towers not the east in Clonmel kebab dan blian actually it's them kebabs and I think I mentioned Rud Conspoja because the gra is kebab like rud all into like dal or margin to like Fáilte but actually smile them kebabs
kebabs sexy man
chance go he might knocked who knows and takeaway Mexican burrito loco agus vochos Mexican lying galib highly commended
can ask for kebab
oh sorry near my Sphinx in my forest I think we're such an ogum river agus visa jazz I think we're my Sphinx burrito loco high Mexican Bia Rebel Ramen Mulfarste the healthy takeaway of the year Tabia Doc Ratchet Mulfarste I don't know Russian Rio Wissenshin Lahai couple of Béarla but like tribal burgers like Doc Ratchet my Fire and Stone Limavady and pizza is fair it's a cheer so definitely can mention
Liffey Valley
Limavady what's the shirt agus caiú radish and canon sin dóigh go basically lemavadi sin dóigh so that's like all right okay yeah that's me sin vegetarian takeaway them blian the Cracked Teapot Cafe New Ross agus tá gourmet offensive and sin more highly commended fasta sin sweet treat of the year is Genoa Cafe a Warren Point name actually can catch a Warren Point innovation award is we Putin the Belfarste in Putin agus sustainability awards like modular achhar mission and chips Dungarvan should have timed the net and chips to find you running at so should have listed so I think Gaimwood Dollar excursion Arthur cheer
Tá mé ochra hanis tá mé stúki na sné éistal sin like
yeah it's fast to actually like
mu a nám ur leige fé lá ná awareness
I can put you sure the what he called I just wish go delivery burrito loco she's got by clear I think Yanish Masila what is fair chuig sa car or fa just like Michelle burrito
which I don't know go my get kebab it gets raw so
she can like Gary kebab faster Donner
oh come on you need to fall kebab more fucking Donner Don man well actually speaking of Donner what I can joke on
stop this mic
I saw my so Honig lad a chara tossy treads kebab super kebab agus a nickname a Warshan Donner McGregor
oh my god James no
yeah she's not funny actually hilarious no leor name I'm actually stitches going.
Ahan le seachting and I don't know cén dáid a gentlegan ó háisiid a fágcrúil seo tá dad joke go bhhain agus tá either Mahain na James and níl is a rá ácht on the dad jokes.
No.
I think of it an Omerkid the road true rugging genú dad jokes.
I was like ní mis mar fan go the dad jokes but just took into them off like
just now cén fá I just like it's like go like inhibition good now like cai tú and it's like it's just the cree
hot take though I think like couldn't say my vein was more ahead my vein my hand agus Hugh my vein gas ring go my merting on raw ahead is cringy.
Oh yeah.
Down.
Oh yeah.
Tá sé bit in the joke ni hanna hin.
Yeah.
Like Sally. Sally and Mage the sin kunna yuri and there's not the actual blast Eagrán.
I was nervous force on the podcast like.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
No that much washed out but much force to genuine.
Yeah.
It was burnt out, been much washed out, you know.
Been much cos le Westlife just laddie mo during the chat rash or is
I'm so good more listen Chancellor reunion tour in again the Fhéible. No, it's more the Fhéible, probably.
2055.
2055, okay. The current date since the listeners and last shot 2055 been Chancellor
Mata much first bill for option.
Oh jeez, yeah, man. Monetarily mod be fiction I reached my bunch a hand piece of Emma in my camera free hair. I think that James Bond IKEA furniture siga na could be real siga. Well or not sin. I think go be sin Jerry and Claire gur mí maigh of is that bheith géisiirling a ríis le Eagrán fiche de Na Seansálaithe mas maiile muid a leanst ar na man hoiste tá muid ar Na Seansálaithe ar Instagram, Na Seansálaithe ar Twitter, muid Na Seansálaithe ar YouTube agus hiagla an fi an gáanta seo a eáil agus muid ggurc go jazz gáanta mu sé caiú i dheansaí jazz agus a hamid le seo agus má jazz bre séhálta agus a hamid agus a gascúil na daine eile ggurc mai fásta. Glad James a amsú ar Twitter agus Instagram agus TikTok ar flahartach gin dearmad ar an phlegm agus tú ag litrú sinna ar bhar go
spitter the phone.
Kind of bheith flop wet agus tú typeáil an fácail síos agus mat gurí aine amsú tá síos ar anywhere ar Twitter, Instagram agus ar TikTok agus mat de gurí mis sé amsú ar na main hóisiilta tá ar Hugh hir ar Twitter agus Instagram agus tá just mar Hugh ar TikTok. I really wish go an cin cearna gom haar na trí bhein hóisiilta isis cos an le uair airme ag deir na seachting it's like agus is mission thing away with different so like which wad níos fosa sí an question will fógribi le jarna agin solar fagamuid
Sim go sé go hifigilta sé ráis go mé arachtas na saona I Gilárne.
I think so. I think go bhfuil se afigil so mata plans biogad agus beidir mata sibh ag cuairta pí craic agus seans. Well, ní even fiú go ra seans go mé John. Bé John. Níall é doubt go mé John. So mata bheith ag súil go mór leis sin. Bé tam jing súil go mór leis. Fásta tá Gaelgary ag Chartwas ar an dail le mí muirte. A dóigh le déag do mí muirte agus bear an trúr agin ar fáil ar fáil mu gar bhí dhéanaling leis no be ding bunch soltas níe the James like better go mar fáil.
Bad choice of words I think much we get a loud swing
Sinna I think sinna Bé John sin tátí Bé John so mat gar bu lin an leis cos níall ach mar an tetí fa a 8 quick van géan na tutí díalta so bí gastanis solar cos dílí se má gandát ar bí agus sí go bééis sin né. Tá bhfuil níl is réidir na squas go fáil aine bhfuil?
Níl tá seachtain fáca tá nasc I má waio ar Instagram má tá daoine gurí couple of punt uhort dú vaccínta fo Bernardos.
agus is fiú go mór sin go bé sin so ag go fan sin gur a mí maigus bheith géist a rí leis na seansaí agus b idirrás a rí le Eagrán go thomlan nua an seachtainí siúgin an aine siúgin agus tá seartwas go dtí Lá Fhéile Pádraig beidir gan le Lá Fhéile Pádraig beidir sogan Chef much cin situation which is tíon le sean go bhí go má a han leid an seachtainí sin marall in the bank holidays ar fad ach beidir le haid an Lá Fhéile fásta ach go dtí sin agus dín seachtainí siúgin be Eagrán go thomlan nua na seansaí so gur mí maigh bheith géist a rééis agus tu much sibh gan bhfuil Sláin.
Bye, guys.